Arduino Uno, this infamous Arduino Uno. I'll warn you, this video is going to get long, so you better get a cup of tea or coffee. Let's just get started with this. Let's go with the structure. First of all, we have the pins, which are, wait, do you see the little squares? Right here, like here and here and here and here. Those are pins, same as those are the digital pins. The pins that have numbers on them. Those are digital. What they basically mean that like you can connect anything to them which says binary values, which are true or false, high or low, or zero or not. So like, okay, those are the digital pins, those are the power pins. No, those are the power pins, those are the analog pins. Power pins are usually like used to connect some power to any component, but I basically don't know how to use the VIN or IORE for reset pins yet. We know how to use ground 5 volts and 30.3 volts, which are commonly used. And like, okay, so we're done with the pins. Okay, so let's rehearse. Okay. I actually wanted to say that they're not all digital pins right here. There's ground, which is the power pin, and AREF. I don't even know them. But so like, okay, let's get what's here. It's actually upside down like this. Look at this part. This is a DC jack. What about this port, you ask me? The USB jack, which is a USB-B, I believe, which is connected to your computer so you can code. Basically, the DC jack like gets a charger, like something, or I don't know what to tell you, but you plug in into direct electricity, which means basically batteries, wall into the wall. Okay, so let's continue from here. This is the main chip, which is the 18 megas 328 chip. I'm basically a little sick, so like, okay, so that's what I know, but you can't connect to 0, 1, anything. Okay, do you see those three things? TX means like sending message, RX means reading message. And the L is like connected to pin 13, digital pin 13. Okay, so this is the structure of the basic. Do we know this is the reset button? I'm actually very confused about this. Taking some resources. Okay, so basically, this is something that gets plugged in on Arduino. You see your Arduino? Okay, so when you see like A5 and things, just plug them into A5 and A4 and things. So like that. Do you see how I'm plugging it? I'm going to plug it like this. Okay. Like that. Right here. That. You see? Look at this. like that. Okay, so now the Arduino. Okay, so basically what this does, it allows you to use these wires to make a multiple connections without a breadboard. I'll tell you what a breadboard is in a second, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to tell you. Okay. So that's basically it. Okay. Now let's switch to Tinkercad. No, I mean like forgot name. Let's just go. Okay, here we are. The simulator. It's called okay, I figured it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you the breadboard first of all. Breadboard. Full half menu. Okay, let's just try the full breadboard, which it's pretty big for now. Let's just get a mini, like a half breadboard. Okay, not bad. Then a mini breadboard. Okay, this is a mini breadboard, so I need to know how to delete you. Yeah, you too. Okay, we're going to be working with this guy. Oh, I'm going to connect the 5 volts to somewhere. Okay, 5 volts. Okay, where's the plug? Maybe right here, an A5. Okay. And then, what about a resistor? 220. Okay. No, I don't think this requires one. Right. Okay, let's make it blue. Okay. Okay. Well, let's just connect ground to 4. Okay, so I want, and digital pin 12. Okay, this is 4. Okay, just 3. 12 to 3. Which is ground. Here. Nope. It was 4. This is right here. This is right here. So right now, let's test it by just making the simple pin mode. 12 comma output. And let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so I don't know how to use this breadboard thing. Okay, so I showed you the breadboard. I don't have one, so it's hard to use it. Well, you don't have one, so it's real hard. Okay, so we're going to be using this. I forgot to tell you about the whole code. Do you see this? It says put your setup code here to run one switch. Put setup things such as pin mode, which I'm going to explain later, or turn on the light. And loop basically means I want you to do something, keep doing it until I stop the program. Okay, so let's start with how do we make a setup first. Okay, so we write void setup. Like this. This is the setup function. This is a loop function. So the setup, as I said, includes these starting things, and the loop includes things that we run repeatedly. So what was that pin mode thing I was talking about? Pin mode basically tells Arduino what pin you like. For example, we're connecting 11 to anything, okay? It's asking if that thing is giving an electrical signal to the Arduino, or the Arduino gives the electrical signal to it. Most of the time you'll see output, which Arduino gives it the electrical signal. So let's do 12 output. Now we said pin 12 is output, which Arduino gives the electrical signal to. And what is digital write on Earth? Okay. So digital write, this says we want to give a true electrical signal to it. Sorry about this. Okay, so let's continue. So I was talking about the digital write function. That means true. 12, which is the pin we're setting to. And digital read, which is the one it's set to input. Digital. I can't type today. Read 12 on. Which means that it gives it an output of true or false, which means it takes what the component says to. Okay, I can't explain this. Sorry. You'll have to figure this out on your own. Okay, so let's continue about this. Other very cool thing is about this I2C. I actually am pretty wanting to get one in real life, this large one. Ground to ground. Okay, VCC. to VCC, which is 5 volts. SDA A4, SCL A5. Okay. So hashtag include liquid I2C. Okay, so we're putting the I2C module inside the program. Okay, so now let's tell that there is a screen connected, so we have to define it by doing this. Okay, so that LCD 0x 7 16 2 LCD dot init LCD dot backlight LCD dot print hello. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Okay, I know I'm going to have to do something. Yeah, install it. Okay, now run. Yeah, it says hello. Hello. Okay, so it says hello. Okay. What about if we try something else? Let me see something that I know how to use. I don't think I know anything else. No, I don't know anything else. Nope. Pretty sure. No, I don't know anything else. I don't know temperature, NTC. I don't know when that is. Okay, neither you. Relay module, I don't know how to use it. Miss the micro SD card. Custom chip. Okay. So it looks like that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye!